Hey, you guys. Thank you for joining me for this three pal pick a card titled What is Their True Nature? And we're going to do some live shuffling. But we have three pals. I feel very calm doing this reading only because it's going to give me a new perspective to look at the humanness of the spiritual journey. So, see you at your pal or pals of choice. Hey, beautiful pal one. Okay, so what is their true nature? We're also going to cover your true nature as well so we can understand the compatibilities. We have transparency, time, and freedom. So I feel as if with transparency, time, and freedom, take what resonates. You guys could both be just like mirroring each other, where as time goes by, you guys become more clear to each other and you're able to see each other without bias. Okay? Like, if you guys have a different way of living, I feel like you guys don't feel like you want to argue about it. Say, well, because this is what I know most and best. This is right. This is so. It's more like, and there's no like that explained to. There's more like, okay, simply put, okay, judgment free. Once again, we have freedom and balance, and I feel like you guys both balance each other because instead of like, trying to restrict one another, you guys are just go go achieve your endless potential. In fact, it's like you guys, their nature is to lift one up. Okay, so I hope that helps.